My iPhone 11 Pro Max has been my most reliable tool for creating content. There are 3 things that it does exceptionally well in conjunction with other devices in the Apple ecosystem to help me with my creative process and also just make videos for you guys. This video is going to go through 3 ways you can make your workflow more efficient as well. First, let's talk about AirDrop. Now, I'm filming this on the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and this is not my go-to camera when I'm in studio. But when I'm out and about, I need something that's portable, but also high quality to be able to film scenes that I really need on the fly. Now, say you film on the iPhone and you want to quickly move that content over to your MacBook Pro to edit in Final Cut. This is probably the most easiest and cable-free implementation I've come across, and it works really well. Check this out. I'm gonna take this file and move it over to my MacBook within seconds. No wires, nothing. Watch this. I'm just gonna AirDrop it over to my MacBook Pro, and there it is, already sent and ready for editing. This second thing is something that most people don't talk about daily, but it makes a huge difference in how your efficiency and productivity improve. I don't know how I was living without this feature up until now. Universal copy and paste makes it much easier to work between your iPhone, your Mac, and or your iPad. I simply see something I like on my iPhone, I copy it, and then magically paste it on my Mac or my iPad. This works between all devices, and it works with images as well. With the recent introduction of universal control on Apple devices, Apple is just making things much more seamless. If you don't know what universal control is, it's a new feature that Apple is implementing to seamlessly move a set of peripherals like your mouse and your keyboard between your Mac and your iPad without even thinking about it. It'll be completely wireless, no cables involved at all. Number 3, seamless integration. Now, everything I talked about before is pretty cool, and it kind of falls into that seamless integration category, but it goes so much further beyond that. What do I mean by that? Well, I can screen mirror my phone instantly to my Mac or my Apple TV. I can take phone calls and switch between any of my Apple devices without dropping the call. I can quickly hand off apps from my device such as Mail, Stocks, Calendar, Chrome, you name it. I can automatically unlock my MacBook with my Apple Watch. And these other little things that might take me a bit longer to cover in another video. But hey, if you want to see something like that, let me know in the comments down below. What's your favorite feature that helps make using the Apple ecosystem better? Are you using something on Android that's similar? I would love to know. I appreciate you watching this video and just trying to better your understanding of technology. Again, this is an open conversation. I can learn so much from you as much as you can learn from me. So stick around, I'll be coming out with more videos like this in the near future. Like always, I'm Jared the Tech Avenger. Don't forget, when it comes to tech, the Tech Avengers are there. We got your back.